Audrey McIver and I work for WSP in property and buildings. So offsite manufacture is not just a way of constructing something. It's also, I think, a way of thinking. It's a way of thinking that you're trying to, you're trying to build, you're trying to take away construction processes from a very difficult, possibly dangerous site to somewhere where you can control the quality, you have more control over health and safety processes. And it's just trying to think about building in reliability, reducing risk, and then bringing that to site. So it's not just thinking, oh well, I want to build something in a factory and bring it to site. It's changing the way that you think about construction. I think WSP is really unique because we have this wide range of skills and knowledge. So we have people who are expert in big, future trends like urbanization, climate change. These are all trends which are pushing the way that we design the built environment. But we also have experts in really details like, how do these components fit together? What are the manufacturing tolerances that we have to allow for? And all, that range of knowledge is all required to build this holistic picture of what can we really achieve out of off-site manufacture? How can we bring it together and, really bring that value of off-site manufacturing to our built environment design? So I think off-site construction is not just about the construction of a building or a particular element of a building. It's actually about changing your mindset. It's about changing how you think about construction processes. And so, there's this great opportunity to bring this way of thinking to other sectors like infrastructure, bridges and roads. There's this, it's not just about the product that you're making, it's about this mindset change. And I think this is where WSP is really well placed to make a difference in our industry.